Hi, my name is Rasan Kumar. Today I'm going to discuss about the pandas. So today agenda is the pandas on the introduction on the pandas and data types and import with the library on the Jupyter with the libraries with the pandas and first practicals like a pandas on a create a data frame and pandas on a own indexes name by customize you can do whatever the index name you can do as per the pandas frame. So third one is the data frame is the head and tail in the data frame, and the fourth one is join the two tables in the data frame. So let's go with the practicals. So I have already see. So these are the hashtag. If you want to the comment this text, so before hashtag you have to mention. Suppose here is the code. If I want to just try to the hash, so these cells are commented. So I don't want to comment right now. So this text I want comment. So this is my first create a data frame in uh, Jupyter node. So just shift insert, or if you want to this import with the pandas. So I have put it over here the import pandas with the data frame, and we have to just if you want to execute, so shift insert, and this one also I have created the data with the student marks and student rank and marks. So these are the three columns inside one the data. So basically I'm going to create for the data frame, and we have to see that the data. So this is my the data, and I'm going to click over here and just simply shift inserted. This one also execute, this one also execute. I want to print that. Okay, so print open bracket double quote a student table slash n. Basically I was used for the slash n when a new lines will be there. So new line executed. So the new line when a slash will use for the new line will be execute from there. So we need double quote and separate one or data frame name. What is the data frame name? Data frame name is I have put it over here the mentions df. So we'll put the df, close, enter. So these are my table in the inside one the data frame. Now come to the point in the ppt. So now we have to pandas, we have to discuss about the pandas. So pandas is the data frame. There is the two dimensional tabular data, that is the table and row and column format. Okay, so what is the data frame? So data frame is the method is used to create the data frame has the following parameters like data index column d type and copy. So data is the store the pandas in the data frame. Indexes which you have to apply the provided by the resultant frame, and columns. So set the columns labels which is the frame if the data is not mentioned before. D type means the data type only the single types allow, and copy you can copy the input data, right? So next one, so I have already created the panda data, create the data frame on the panda. Okay, so next one, how to create like the panda is the own indexes name. Okay, so I'm press here exe and just copy this, come to the visuals. I'm going to hash because I want to comment this line. Okay, set inserted, or now I'm going to create now I'm going to create for the pandas with the own index. Here you can see that indexes 0 1 2 3 4. I want to change the customized index name as per the our requirement. So now I'm going to change the comment name. So I will use the pf like a df, the data name I'm going to put df equal to pd dot data frame. Okay, open bracket, the data name is like I have already put the data name. Here is this is my data. Okay, here I want to insert the rank index name. Okay, so copy this one and below one just paste it. And I want to index, so I have to put the index syntax I and ex, yes, index equal to just student one. Student one start with the single quote, because this is the index. Single quote separate, we have to put 2, we have to put 3, we have to put 4, we have to put 5. So I have put it to the index's name, and I want to execute this. Shift inserted, so this one also inserted the data. I want to print, I want to see that the index's name, what I have changes. Print, open bracket, double quote, student data slash n. I'm 2 times slash n because I need two new lines. Separate df. Okay, shift inserted. You can see that the index's name not as of now changes. Okay, so I need to change the index's name. So index's name here is the FB, right? So I have to put here, we need to change. Here is the data frame name is different, so here we do df or shift inserted. Here we also, this one also executed, this one. You can see that our index's name is changed. Okay, so now come to the point with the PPT, the third one. In the data frame, in the pandas, like head and tails. What is the head and tails? The pandas in the data frame head that use the from first row, first n row. Suppose I want, I have already created the first n rows and last n rows. So last 3 rows and first 3 rows. So how can you do this? So we'll do with the help of head and tails. Just I am going to copy this one. I want to comment this one, so you have to put, okay. So here will require, you know, the import. I have already created the data. Okay, data frame I have already created. Okay, so I need to put the heads and tails, like top three records, Amit, John and David. These are my 5 records. So I need top 3 record, like Amit, John and David. How can we do this? So I have already created the data frame. I'm going to just print that. Print, open bracket, double quote, just slash n because I need to new row. First n record. First n record, double quote, slash n, then double quote, double quote, and this then separate. The data frame name I have put the df dot head, or I have put the head, and inside one I need to top 3 record now. So we have to put here the top 3. Okay, head 3. Head is the functions which is used the top 3s, and bottom के लिए we will see the later. Right now the top 3. So I need a head is the functions with the help of we you want to the extract top 3 record inside one the data frame. So this is my df is the data frame. I want to top 3 records. So just close this one, shift insert it. Here is something missing. So yes, we have to write print this one. Now now it is the code is like colors. You can see that the color wise also the green, so it means your code is correct. So now I'm going to shift insert it. So see that previously you can see that the all record will become I want top three records. So print the data frame head. But once you will use the head, so the data frame, you can see the top three records, only top three. I want bottom three records. So what we'll do, so just copy this one, my ppt. uh, you can see that the tails same, the last n records will be come back. Okay, so just I'm copy this one for the tails, come up with here, and hashtag control v, insert this is the my new one. Okay, so now I'm going to, no, I'm going to just last three records. Okay, just control v, a control paste from the new line. I want last new record. Okay, last n record. So here we need to data frame, and inside one we have to put the tail. This is my tail, or I want to shift insert, I want to execute this one, shift inserted. You can see the last row, this one, Pintu, Sonu and David. This last record, Pintu, Sonu and David, this last record will be retrieved. Okay, come to the ppt. These are my data frame inside ones, the two tables. I want to try to the join all two tables from the different. Okay, so come up with the visuals, hashtag control v, inserted. Okay, I have already the data which is created, the student. Okay, or one more data I need to insert. Suppose that one more I want to data insert with the joint boy, because join the two tables. Okay, so basically just copy this one, data executed one. Okay, this is the data one, I have put the data one, executed one, and I have put the data frame 1, data frame 1 equal equal to, open and close flower bracket. I need only, yes, I need only the locations. I need only the location. I need only the locations, and here we need a double quote, we will not allow. Yes, inside one the locations I need to put double quote, because this is the string. Patna, double quote, close, again double quote, Delhi. Just copy this one, control V, Pune, Delhi, and double quote, Patna again, double quote. That's it. I need one more record, so I have to put the locations and salary. Okay, salary, single quote, salary 5,000, then 1000, 4000, 6000, 6000, 24,000, 1 2 3 4 5. This one 5 record. Just close this, or close the flower bracket. Okay, shift inserted. This one also the insert the data frame. This is the data frame data one, or you have, if you want to the data, just from the understanding purpose, this is the data 2. Okay, shift inserted. This one we also shift inserted, shift inserted. Now I'm going to data frame, data frame 1, data frame 1 equal to pd dot data data frame inside one, this one data, copy this one data, just close this one, shift inserted. And now I want to print that the data. Print, I want to print that the data, like data 1, just close this, shift inserted. What will the error? Yes, here will the, this is the data, just copy name, the table name, I want to just paste over here and shift inserted. So these are my recorded over here, I have already printed. Okay, so now I'm going to print again from the data table 2. Just copy this, paste over here. I want to put the data name 2, data frame 2, and here is also second data. Copy this one and just paste this, shift inserted. This one also inserted. I want to print the data frame 2, like data 2. Print just copy this, and here we need to change just data frame data 2, table 2, just shift and enter, inserted. So what we'll do in that case, data is not defined, data 2 is not defined, so here will be the defined, so I need to execute this one, shift inserted. Let's see that data 2, simply shift inserted. This one also executed. Okay, so I have two tables executed. I want to print both of the tables, okay, with the joins. So I'm going to apply for the join operations. So hash join to data frame, shift inserted. Now I'm going to res for the result data frame name. I have put it over here, and name of the data frame, yes, this is my data frame. Just copy this, copy this. This is my data. Just control V dot join join open bracket data frame data 2, right? Data 2. Just copy this, control B, and close this, right? And now print open bracket slash n, the new lines. I want to header name joining to data frame, joining to data frame slash n, double quote, separate or res. Just copy this and paste over here, shift inserted. Right now it was showing error, the object name attribute the join join data name. So the data frame name, suppose the data frame 1, let's see. Control C, data frame 1, just print this, control V, and data frame 2, control C. This is the another data frame, so that's why. And now I'm going to print this, yes. So these are these are the two data frame. I have created the data frame again. I want to just join all two tables. Thank you so much. If you want to any need to change, I'm ready to learn from your side. Thank you so much.